It is celebrated on 15 August every year. On 15 August 1947, India got independence from British rule. On this day, we remember our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for independence. Many freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, Rani Lakshmibai, Pandit Nehru, Bhagat Singh and millions of others sacrificed their lives to make India an independent nation. The Independence Day is a day to honor them. The Independence Day is a national festival of India. Assalamu alaikum. সুলতানা, আমি ক্লাস 4 এ পড়ি। আমি একটি কবিতা বলবো। ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট। গুড মর্নিং এভরিওয়ান, মাই নেম ইজ মারিয়া সুলতানা। টুডে ইজ 15 August. We are celebrating Independence. I wish all a very happy Independence. Independence is a national festival of India. We got freedom on this day. We remember our freedom fighters on this day. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. My name is Shumaya bint Shahid. Today is 5th August and I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. India got freedom on this day in 1947. It is a national festival of India. I love my country very much. Join. Assalamu alaikum.